welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So, as you can see around me, we got blasted with a blizzard here, and the snow is still clinging to the trees. This is days later. The storm was right around December 14th and 15th. I went out and plowed the second batch of it on the 15th, the morning of the 15th, and I found a foot of snow on the back of my truck, and that included all that settled from the day before. So the 13th and 14th, or 13th through the 15th. Today is Saturday the 17th, and this is still what we got. It's still clinging to all the trees. What I'm going to do is take the drone up, and we'll get some footage. The wind's picked up a bit. I'm going to try to control it. We'll see what happens, but I hope you enjoy. Well, that was hard to control. That wind was a lot stronger than it looked, but still got some pretty cool footage. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we're still getting snow here. It's still coming down. I think we got, as of this morning, another 3 or 4 inches on the ground, and it looks like it's going to keep snowing maybe for a couple of days, so not good. But hope you enjoyed the video, and check out my other machine shop videos. And until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.